I just got back from date night. It is 8:30 on Friday, October 16th. I'm on a little bit of a high because we did some damage at Sephora today. Just for some context, I'm going to share with you what I picked out at Sephora for my makeup kit. Why you might enjoy this video even if you're not into makeup. Sometimes it's just cool to see why somebody chose something and get inspired, or maybe you're on the hunt for a new product. Even though what you've seen from me is more vlog style, I do want to start incorporating more intentional makeup videos. I think I've said this before, but I think that's starting to be more of the plan. So I'm evolving my channel a little bit, hounding down and trying to get more videos out there and just trying to try different things. Tutorials, hauls, product recommendations, first impressions. That's all gonna be coming super soon. I try not to go into Sephora because I know I'm gonna walk out with so many things. Well, this trip specifically, I went in with a shopping list with clear intentions of what I wanted to get. I took a look at my makeup kit and I said, what do I need to upgrade this to be some next level, like nothing I've ever done before? I'm somebody who sticks to their holy grail products, doesn't really stray from them, but there have been so many beautiful, revolutionary products that have come on the market since beginning makeup. With 2020 coming to an end soon, in 2021 I'm launching a whole rebrand that I'm so excited to bring to clients, and I just am getting in preparation for that. So it's going to be really exciting for brides to come because I'm really just going to be offering this exclusive package and focusing more of my attention on singular people rather than bigger parties. If you subscribe, then you will keep up with me announcing that. I was looking through the bag on the way home and I'm like, I am giddy over all of this stuff and it's not even for me. I don't even think I got one item for me. So this is all for my lovely glam babes. I don't think I've ever walked out with this much makeup before. Like it's heavy, this bag. Let's just dive right in. Friends, not gonna lie, makeup's expensive. I didn't want to buy all this, but I'm excited now that I have swiped the card and we can't go back now. I don't mind sharing the total because it's on my credit card, don't worry. It's $888. Oh, hello. I got approved for the credit card. We're gonna pay it off. So when you sign up for the credit card, you get 15% off. I don't condone getting credit cards, but it just made sense for my career. So we'll just pretend it's like a birthday present and I'll just start grabbing things and we'll just go from there. So like I said, one of the main parts of this trip was to upgrade, and I wanted to make a lot of my kit with the Dior product. So starting off, I got the Dior Backstage Face Glow palette. This is one of my favorite highlighters, and this palette is great for all skin tones. So now we got the upgrade. I don't think I'm going to do swatches in this haul. I'm just gonna show the product. I think the swatches on the Sephora website are the best anyway, but I'll probably do a tutorial soon using some of these products in a sanitary manner. Next, I was so excited to walk in and be greeted by Makeup by Mario's new line. If you don't know who Mario is, I have a video with him on here, and I'm just very excited that he is doing these things because I feel proud, and I don't even know him. Like, I don't know him personally, but I just feel proud. I ended up going with just one product from his new line, the Master Crystal Reflector, which is a highlighter, but I felt like this was such a good, you know, multi-use product to use even on the eyes. I'll just tap this on here. Yeah. And that just looked so pretty. So those are the two highlighters that I got. The two powders that I picked up, which I'm so excited to play around with these, are the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powders, and I went with these two shades, Banana Bread and Pound Cake. You'd be really surprised at the range of skin tones that a yellow based powder can cover. And then for my deeper skin tones, I have the Laura Mercier Translucent and the Anastasia powder, so I'm still using those up. So, but I needed new powders for my light to medium to tan. For the body, Patrick Ta Major Glow in We Love Her. This is a spray bottle. It's a highlighting mist. I'm pretty sure it's more catered to, look at me opening this thinking there's a mirror in here. It's more catered towards the body. I'm not even gonna spray this, but so it's a highlighting mist. So that makes it really easy for brides if you want to spray on their chest or their shoulder for some glow. Or you can be more intentional with it and spray it on a brush. I upgraded my foundations completely. Of course, I use the Temp 2 airbrush, but I upgraded to the Dior Forever Skin Glow and the Dior Face and Body. So face and body is a more sheer coverage, but you can build it, which is great for like mature skin or people who have baby skin as it is and you just kind of want to cover the redness. And then the Skin Glow is more of a fuller coverage. These are what they look like out of the package. And what's in my kit now is the old school Forever Skin Glow, but I find that is very matte, which is a nice finish. But I always like getting a glow foundation because I can control whether I can mattify it or make it more dewy. And I just feel like glow on the skin just always looks very healthy, fresh, natural. And I'm just so excited to carry this line and just really provide the highest quality. I feel like these two foundations do it all. I'm super picky with my foundations, and I think that this, for the style of makeup that I do, is the perfect two foundations where it still looks like skin, provides enough coverage, photo friendly, etc, etc. So the majority of what is in this bag is the shade range. So this was majority of that purchase. Ooh. This I have been dying to buy for, I kid you not, years. I always skip on it because the $49 price tag always turned me off to getting it, but I finally got it and I cannot wait to use it. So what I got is the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in W108 Chestnut. This, I think, is the perfect contour shade for everybody. It is a warmer tone, but you could sheer this out really well. And the formula, I swatched it in the store. Oh my gosh. If you just get this, you don't need any other contour. You could just cream contour with this. I can't wait. I can't even believe it. Got another backup of my favorite mascara to use on clients, which is the Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara. If you've been keeping up with me, you know that is like a holy grail. I also was due for a new gel liner. So I don't know if you've been to Sephora recently, but I talked to the sales representative and she was incredible. She helped me so much and she gave me so many samples that I am literally going to do the Sephora survey and like write an amazing review for her because she was iconic. She gave me so many samples and was so helpful. I used to use this all the time. I don't know why I stopped using it, but it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Black Gel Liner, or I guess it's called a paint liner, and it comes with a brush. This is a holy grail. I just never replenished it and I don't know why, and I can't wait to use this tomorrow for my bride tomorrow. Glosses, I went with the Fenty glosses. First of all, they came out with new shades for the holidays. I always love getting these. This was $36. But the thing is, I could bring this on a makeup job, and if anybody is needing a little lip gloss, I could sell or gift them individually depending on if it's a bride or a bridesmaid. Two shades in the Fenty gloss are Fussy and Sweet Mouth. I'll show you what those look like. Comment below if you would like to see me do hauls with swatches. Oh my god, look at this one. Look at that pinkier one. These are amazing and they smell so good. Every time I put this on a client, they're like, what is this? I need this. That smell is amazing. The only reason I'm not doing swatches is because I would have to set up like the spoolies, the alcohol, and the wipes and stuff and get disposables. So I just was so eager to show you. So I feel like it's more beneficial for the women who watch to stick around for the tutorials, because the tutorials really show what the products can do, and I just feel like swatches are available on Sephora. But if that's something you're missing out on here, let me know. I will likely include it in future hauls. Include swatches. The next two lip products are from Sephora, the lip stains. These don't move. They're so underrated. And the two shades I have are 73 and 71. This one is actually for my bride tomorrow. This one I might mix in. I just got her two options, but I feel like she's gonna go with this one. So this one I'll just keep for my kit. Okay, the last few items are all skincare. This, sometimes I just buy things for the smell, but I'll swatch it on my hand and just see like the consistency and all that. And I felt like because the foundations I'm getting are now hydrating in the foundation, that a lighter weight moisturizer might be good. And this one smells like watermelon and it's pink and it's so cute. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And I thought this was fairly priced too. I think it was around $35 to $40, which is pretty standard for a Sephora moisturizer. And then I got this, I want to say Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum Base. Hydrating and long wearing makeup base. I carry a lot already in my kit of oil control primers and all that, but as far as dewy things, I felt like I just kind of wanted everything to work together. And look how good this looks next to each other. Like when I set up my makeup, having everything just cohesive. I'm interested to see what this smells like. Let's just drop that. Bing. Oh, that was the other thing I wanted to mention too. Why I got this, if any other makeup artists are watching, is this is a more sanitary application for moisturizer, to have a pump rather than a cream. I love my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a cream, but I think they should put that in a pump. I think that has a light fragrance to it. I didn't even realize I did this, but I also got a pink firming resurfacing essence. So the essence you can apply obviously when you're taking your makeup off, but it's called Pink Drink. So stinking cute. I love this brand, Sunday Riley. I think they do an amazing job with skin. Peptides help to firm the skin, while fermented honey and botanical extracts balance the skin's natural microbiome and resurface the skin. I just wanted to spray it for the smell. I think it's meant for bare skin, but it smells really fresh. This I'm going to just offer for brides who get the premium skin prep. Check this out now. That's so fun. That's a cute setup right there. And lastly, I kid you not, the rest that's in here is all of these samples that this beautiful sales representative gave me. So she gave me Rare Beauty brightening concealers, so I could try these on clients, or I could gift them to clients if they want to try something new. This I was like so happy about because I love these products. Dr. Dennis Gross, this is one of the best products that Sephora carries in my opinion for skin. Dr. Dennis Gross Daily Peel and Moisturizer and Cleansing Gel, one of my favorite brands for skin. She also kindly gifted me some Pharmacy makeup melting, so I'm definitely going to give one of these to my brides tomorrow, so that she could take her makeup off with ease. She gave me La Mer samples. Meanwhile, let me just tell you, I didn't even like ask for samples. She was just so kind and giving. Oh my god, there's more things in here. What the heck? I feel like they just like threw things in here. Serum, Tatcha primer, Rare Beauty pin. Okay, sure. Glam Glow moisturizer, Moisture Trip, Glam Glow foam cleanser. This was one of my beauty points. CEO Glow from Sunday Riley, and then the Glam Glow Super Mud. I am so happy that this was a reward point because the maskne girl is real. So this Glam Glow mud treatment like takes the pimples away in like 2 days. And then she also gave me this. This just has a bunch of samples. La Mer, Hum Hair. Does this say 12 points? There's no way. This $800 purchase apparently only got me 12 points. 12? What's going on, Sephora? That should have been like 1,000 points. Anyway, the last of the samples, we have Stila eyeshadow. I love these glitter shadows. They're so fun. Little sample sizes. Confidence in a Cream, my favorite. And what is this? Oh, a perfume sample. Tell me if you know this brand, because I have no idea what this brand is. But I got a perfume sample. So fun. I feel extremely excited. It's like a painter buying their paints. That is literally what's happening here. And I just can't wait to make people happy and for me to put this on their skin and then be like, my skin's never looked this great, or like, this color is awesome. I just look so forward to even just like using this for the first time and people going, that smells so good. Like you anticipate it and then it does happen. It brightens my day. It makes me happy. I feel so excited to create. Refreshing the kit always helps keep me inspired, and I just can't wait to glam. I have to glam tomorrow. I have to leave here tomorrow for the bridal party at 5 a.m. So I have to wake up at like 4:30 tomorrow. That'll be fun. I'm gonna organize this, see where things fit into my kit. If you want to see a tutorial with any of this, comment below. If you have any holy grail makeup products from Sephora or some fun things that you've tried out that you've felt like worked for you, I'd love to hear from you, or put an open forum in the comments of just people sharing what they love or what they're interested in trying or anything like that. Makeup is so fun and I don't know how to put it into words. I'm just excited for what this is gonna do for people. I can't believe it, that's it. Okay, I need to go organize my kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.